Hey, what's up y'all? My name is Camper Chris, and today I am here showing you all the equipment that you need to have a successful camping trip for your summer. So first off, what you need is this hat to shade and protect your head and your skin from the sun. And to go right along with that, you know what else you need? You need some sunscreen. So let me show you how to apply it. You're gonna get it. Seems I'm running low on some sunscreen here. Okay. Lather it up. Put it right there on your nose. Don't even rub it in, because it'll just melt right in there with the sun and everything, and it'll protect your skin right away. Alright, so now that you got your hat, you got your sunscreen, you know what else you need? When you go camping, you're probably going to want to go hiking, so you're going to need a pair of these bad boys. See these boots right here? Yeah, these are some good quality hiking boots. I'm going to show y'all what my outfit looks like later on, but for now, don't forget your boots. Alright. Now when you go camping and you go hiking, you're gonna get thirsty, because you know the sun's gonna be beating down on you and you're gonna be hiking up them trails getting all sweaty. Okay, so you know what you need? You don't just need water, you need water. Look how big this thing is. I don't know how many ounces this thing holds, but it's Coleman. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Coleman, but you know you got a good quality product right here. Look at how much water this holds. And you just can walk along, flip up the spout. I don't got any water in there, but you know, we're good to go. Alright, so we got that. Now, when you get back from your hiking trip, you're gonna need somewhere to sleep. Now, I do enjoy me some, you know, beautiful stars up in the sky and everything, but on a cold night, and I do tell you in the forest it does get cold sometimes, so you are going to need a tent. Yes. Make sure you get yourself a good quality tent, none of those things that are leaking, or you know, if it rains on accident, or shoot, even in the winter it snows, you don't want to be waking up as a popsicle, or you know, waking up with a nice wet bed. So get yourself a good quality tent. Alright, so you have your tent, but it's gonna get cold tonight. I mean, let's get real right now, it's gonna get cold. So you know what you need? You need some firewood. Yeah, that's right. Go chop yourself down a tree. Well, not really, but you know, you can rummage around your camp and try to find you some good quality sticks. Sometimes there's even a little convenience store that sells, you know, good quality wood for your fire. Otherwise, you know, just get some firewood from your local grocery store, your local convenience store, and just take it with you and light her up. And my personal favorite part of camping is if there's a lake, you get to go swimming in the lake or the stream, because you know, it maybe get cold at night, but during the daytime it gets hot. So let me just show you. That's right, a pair of swim trunks if you're a boy, and if you're a girl, you need a swim suit. So make sure you bring your swimming apparatuses, and then when you get out of the water, unless you just want to air dry like this, don't forget your towel, please. And don't be one of those people that goes up and says, "Hey, can I borrow your towel? Can I borrow your towel? Do you have a towel?" No, we all have that friend that comes over, you know, once in a while to go swimming in the pool, and they're like, "Oh shoot, I forgot my towel." Don't forget your towel. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get dressed in my swimsuit and my boots, and you can see what a true camper, what Camper Chris looks like. Alright, as you can see, I'm changed. I'm gonna go into the local watering hole a little bit later. Right now though, I'm gonna go on a hike. So I just like to point out my swim trunks here that I got. So when we you know, go jumping into the water, I will be ready. And then also, when you are about to get your boots on, make sure that your socks, notice how they go above my ankles. You don't want to be wearing none of those cool hipster low-cut socks or anything like that. You want to make sure that you wear the ones that, you know, potentially even go up to your knees because it protects your legs from the bugs. You don't want no ticks or no creepy crawly things getting in there. You understand now? All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put the shoes on. Officially ready to go hiking. Got my sunscreen, got my hat, I got my, nice light shirt on, my swim trunks, and the most important part, the boots and the socks. Take a look.
Two hours later.
Oh man. Oh god dang, I'll tell you what, that was quite a hike. Quite a hike. So now, like I kept saying, my favorite part of camping is to go jump in the local watering hole. So let's go for a swim, shall we? Oh man, what a swim. What a swim. That was great. All right, well, thank you for joining me, Camper Chris, here on this episode of, shucky darn, I don't even think we named this bad boy. But anyway, just, let's call it Camping with Camper Chris. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Enjoy your camping now.